All right, I'm just gonna say it. This little machine right here just kicked my old pool cleaner out of the water, literally. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing why I dropped my old vacuum and switched to the Aiper Scuba S1 2025 robotic pool cleaner. And yeah, I'm calling it one of the smartest cleaning decisions I've made this year. And before you think, oh, it's just another robot cleaner review, nope, this one's different. I've tested it, run it through dirty Florida sand, watched it scale my pool walls like Spider-Man, and now I've got the real answer. Is it worth it? Stick around, this is the full hands-on review. So, why did I ditch my old cleaner? Well, I've used the 2024 Aiper model for almost a year, and honestly, it's solid. But it was missing two big things, a smart app and an ultra-fine filter. Enter the 2025 upgrade. On the outside, you'd never guess they're different. Same sleek design, that cool black and teal color combo, but inside, whole different story. This year, Aiper finally gave us what we've been asking for, app control and a 3-micron ultra filter that actually catches sand and algae like a champ. And guess what? That alone makes the $50 price bump totally worth it. Unboxing it, first thing I noticed, this cleaner is light, around 16 pounds, which is a huge plus when you're pulling it out of the water after a full run. Setup? Super simple. One button to turn it on, then press again to pick your mode. Floor, wall, wall plus floor, or eco mode. Yes, eco mode on a cordless cleaner. It runs automatically every 48 hours for a full week. Perfect for those lazy maintenance weeks when you just want to set it and forget it. And the app, legit, shows you battery life, lets you switch modes, and even handles firmware updates. Just note, you can only connect to it when the cleaner's out of the water. Bluetooth plus pool equals nope. Let's get to the good part. I dropped the S1 into my pool, switched to wall mode, and watched it take off. I'm talking vertical climbs like it's got suction cups for feet. It even handled my canning ledge and that 40-foot bench like a pro. Then I pulled it out, popped in the ultrafine cloth filter, switched to floor mode, and ran it again. You could actually watch it glide in that S-shaped pattern, no randomness, just clean, straight passes. By the end, the basket was stuffed with sand, leaves, and even a worm. Florida life, right? That ultra filter, game changer. You can literally see the water get clearer. This thing doesn't get stuck, like at all. It handled my main drain, transitioned around corners smoothly, and even managed tricky curves without skipping sections. It did have trouble with my super shallow 6-inch step, but no cleaner really climbs that, so I'm not mad. Just don't try using the ultrafine filter for wall mode. It slows it down too much and messes with climbing. 180 minutes. That's 3 full hours of cleaning time. And that's not just marketing fluff, I tested it. 1 full charge and it cleaned my mid-size pool completely. Walls, waterline, floor, done. Charging takes about 4 hours, and don't forget to dry the charging port first. I know someone who plugged it in wet. Not pretty. What I love, it's lightweight but powerful. Ultrafine filter is next level. Smart app is actually useful. Auto parks at the wall when done. Looks awesome in the pool. What I wish it had? Wireless charging toes? A live camera feed would be sick. But maybe I'm dreaming. And so, is the Aiper Scuba S1 2025 worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, cordless, good-looking, and feature-packed robotic pool cleaner that doesn't cost as much as a new iPhone, this is it. I liked it so much, I bought a second one. One for the floor, one for the walls. Tag team cleaning like a pool cleaning WWE duo. If you've got a 2024 model, no need to upgrade unless you really want the app and ultra filter. But if you're buying new, go for the 2025. No brainer. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe Technology X AI, and let me know in the comments what you're using to clean your pool. I'll link the cleaner below so you can check it out yourself. And hey, if Aiper's listening, next time, give us that underwater camera, yeah? Catch you in the next one. Peace.